How to get beauty mode on TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. If you are unable to get the beauty mode on the right hand side of the settings over here, then that might be due to various problems. So the simple thing you can do is you can report a problem to TikTok so that they will get a beauty mode on your settings over here. So for that you have to go back and tap on the profile icon in the right bottom corner, and from over here you'll be able to see the three-part horizontal line in the right upper corner. So tap on that and go for settings and privacy. After that you have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see the report a problem options, so you have to open it. And after that you have to go for topics where there is videos and sound options, so tap on that. And after that you'll be able to see the video shooting option. You have to tap on that and you'll be able to see blacked out camera skins. You can select any of these over here, and after that you have to simply tap on no option, and by doing that you will be able to see need more help, so you have to go through it. After going through it you'll be able to see the text box over here, so you have to type as I don't have beauty mode option. And after doing that you can also share the screenshot or video recordings, and after doing that you have to go for submit option. It will immediately submit it, and after few hours your problem will be solved. So by following this simple step you can get beauty mode on TikTok. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.